Ya, asal. Bola. Ada bola. Bola pintar. Himbol dong mana? Kami ni mana kita ni mo? Kita orang mana? Kalau mana kalau mentah kalau mana lagi kita mo. Nak boleh bungan. Rokok ni apa? Awak. Kunci kuat lagi. Well, as I mentioned earlier on, if you look at the villages and the people from the communities that we passed, they seem to be in a shock because the main thing they depend on is gone. Their homes. If their homes had not been taken out and destroyed, they would not be standing around, milling around. They would be in their home. That's a protective cover that is gone in their life. So that's something that we need to think of. Today, as you may have noticed that the tender has gone out for the rebuilding of home, because that's the nation's next priority. We can do everything at the same time, provide assistance, relief work, but at the same time we want to start building homes so that they can go back to the homes that they want to share. It's very sad, but in addition to the home, as you come past, you'll see all the infrastructure is down. Electric wiring and road and water. Think of what the Fiji government has put into this infrastructure in the last 30, 40 years that has gone down in the last 24 hours. So when Winston came around. So we need to put that back online. It'll take us a while, but as I said, we will get back on our feet. We have to. There's no other option.
As we drove down, you would have seen, despite all of this devastation and the situation we're in, there are kids, there are women and children who are still smiling and waving at us. This is an example of the resilience that you spoke of. Yeah. Does that give you hope and strength?
Yes, that's a Fijian character. But that does not take away the fact that work needs to be done by people like us standing around here. We need to do a lot of work so that they can continue smiling, especially our kids. Okay. In some areas you may have to extend the deadline that was given by the minister. In some areas like this, where there's no evacuation center at all for them to move to. Nada ba chung mira kana hall? Nada ba ko chung?
Yan hall sa ko kali mo.
Sama-sama chung lom?
Sa sendu ko sa tona mo. Padahal kan busi ko chung na nai.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
But all we like the village and just about the rest of Fiji that has been devastated by the hurricane, especially villages and communities, settlements. They're all waiting for us to build home because that's what they need right now.
We're seeing different level of needs in different villages. Our response will have to be very flexible in order to.
Oh yes. Yeah. The one thing that we need in this recovery period is flexibility. Flexibility in planning and flexibility in operation. We have to do that. In some areas where what we do in one village, one settlement won't be the same. Like, for instance, we were talking about the building of homes as soon as possible. And that's why we came out with the tender yesterday. So we need to have as many contractors as possible to start building. Where we're going to find funds for, we'll get to that. We'll get to that when we start. But in some areas, in some villages, you want to build this home. They'll say, no, I don't want my home here. I want my home there. If you want to, because that's where my home was initially. So we have to start thinking of those. And there's a job of the Turanekoro and the PA and the ROCO to start talking to them now about the flexibility in the villages, in the settlements, when we come in. Right now we want to feed them, clothe them, get them water, and get our infrastructure up and running, because our infrastructure will provide most of the assistance that we want to rebuild these homes and of course, get our economy going.
Some of the villages close to lake. Do you think it will be moved up?
Well, it would be a good opportunity for them to move it. For instance, this village here, the tidal wave right up to the hall. So, again, flexibility comes in, where to build new villages. It might be a good idea for them to move up. Maybe.
Will sa ito may liw ko liw.
Lenny Sandra, na kinakain. Limit kriutal na madali. Oh, pulo na. Basta kami tumo ni be.
Ay, bagaimana po?
Punta ta.
Mele.
Bumi, santa kuno boy. Cekila ko mina wall kat. Santa kuno pala sa lalat. Cekila ko mina wall ngay tabra katal na bali. Saya sabang ngangkar sa so gali ore mani sulika so gali sana. Itu sini kampo. Sesuatu na bali. Sesuatu.
Ano, okay.
Kuning bimu sana yang labi tu, belat lebih bukan. Sakin kawan lucu.
Sakin kawan? Public trustee. Entah kamu naman na kini wala. Iya.
Jangan bola kira-kira.
Iya.
Kaya po po ano mo sa kakawaw. Wala ka sa niyo.
Dito na ko